In this video, we're going to talk about what you should do when Amazon has recommendations from within Seller Central about how you should make changes to your campaigns. So you're probably going to see a screen like this when you go to your campaigns, where you got the overall performance. And then on the left, you're going to see like here, there's 1 out of 4 suggestions, right? So this is saying like, hey, you can increase your sales. We have 10 budget recommendations for sponsored product campaigns, so look at these adjustments, and then if you want, you can approve them, and then it's going to say it's making the promise we're going to get more sales. So let's take a deeper look into what these suggestions are first of all. So here we have the recommended optimizations. So just to go over what it says, it's like optimize sales with these recommended budgets. You have 10 budget recommendations for sponsored product campaigns with high ROAS and high budget use compared to other campaigns. So applying these recommendations can optimize sales and keep your campaigns in budget. These are 10 campaigns that just censored the information, but it's making it out like, hey, look, this is how much potential estimated missed sales you've had and missed impressions and like clicks. So you look at that and obviously you're thinking, well, okay, well, why not? But the main thing you have to understand is that Amazon don't want you to profit. Like, that's not their goal, right? Their goal isn't to make you more money, it's to get you to spend more. That's the only real objective here. And then when you look at some of these suggestions, it's like, oh, look, this campaign, you currently have a $5 budget. We recommend you increase it 400%. So you spend $25, and it's the same all the way across the board. So the first thing and main thing to keep in mind is that their objective is that for you to spend more money on ads, right? So obviously they're going to recommend these, but there's no guarantee of these the sales, right? So so if we um, think about when to consider applying these recommendations or how, the first thing is if the campaign does actually have high ROAS and it's like really like pushing the limit every day, then yeah, okay, let's talk about increasing the budget. But also, you only want to increase the budget if like increasing it won't actually harm your margins, right? If you do the maths and one thing to just go, okay, let's increase this by 400%. That's one thing, but if you haven't worked that into your budget, which is like one of the first things you should really do when it comes to like setting up your campaigns, it's like, well, yeah, there's you're shooting yourself in both feet in that case, right? So how you really want to do it is I go, okay, treat this as like a list of like, okay, these campaigns, these could be doing better. Don't just click on apply 10 recommendations. Okay, you want to at least start making just incremental changes, right? You want to test it, right? So you increase the budgets for these like selected campaigns slowly, and then monitor them over like a week or two, right? So then see how that impacts the performance. Yeah, and it's a case of treat this as a list of I don't know what the word is, but just treat this as a list of these things are they could be performing better, right? So just take this and then review each campaign manually, make the test yourself, right? Do it gradually. Don't just jump straight up to $25 from $5. So that's the point of this. You're going to see a bunch of these sort of recommendations from Amazon specifically. Just treat them as a list of things to investigate, and then do your own, make your own refinements. Okay, so don't blindly click this button. Other than that, that's the message here. Just don't blindly click buttons on Amazon, basically. So hopefully that helps. And yeah, any questions, let me know. Links in the description for websites, and if you want to add me on LinkedIn or whatever, or join the Facebook group. Otherwise, thanks for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next one.